Slingers need to be aware of common causes of incidents. Incidents often result from excessive load swing. The load can swing in high winds and from slewing the load too fast. This causes a pendulum effect that can make the lifting equipment unstable. So, as a slinger, ensure lifts and slewing are done slow enough to reduce sway. Lifting on soft or sloping ground. Exceeding the crane's rated capacity or having an insufficient counterweight or ballast. Cranes colliding while working within the same operating radius. In this case, a lift plan statement should ensure the crane supervisor maintains full coordination of the cranes. Jib or boom deflection, which can bend or deflect under tension. Here the operator should keep the hoist rope vertical, and the slinger should be extra aware of load swing. The hook rests on the ground. Here the tension in the hoist rope will be lost. Then ropes can lose alignment, causing the rope to cross over in the hoist drum.